Book of Heaven, Volume 11, November 6, 1914. The soul who does the hours of the Passion makes the life of Jesus her own and does his same office. As I continued the usual hours of the Passion, my lovable Jesus told me,
"My daughter, the world is in continuous act of renewing my passion. And since my immensity envelops everything, inside and outside the creatures, from their contact I am forced to receive nails, thorns, scourges, scorns, spit, and all the rest which I suffered in the Passion, and still more. Now, at the contact with souls who do these hours of my Passion, I feel the nails being removed, the thorns shattered, the wounds soothed, the spit taken away. I feel I am repaid in good for the evil that others do to me, and in feeling that their contact does no harm to me, but good, I lean more and more on them."
In addition to this, returning to speak about these hours of the Passion, Blessed Jesus said,
"My daughter, know that by doing these hours the soul takes my thoughts and makes them her own. She takes my reparations, prayers, desires, affections, and even my most intimate fibers and makes them her own. And rising up between heaven and earth, she does my same office, and as co-redemptrix she says with me, Ecce ego, mit me, here I am, send me. I want to repair for all, answer for all, and impetrate good for all."